Today we will talk about the Teds Woodworking plans we best buys, prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before buying Teds Woodworking program. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention that you do not make mistakes when using or purchasing Teds Woodworking. The first thing you need to know about Teds Woodworking is, be careful with the site that you will buy Teds Woodworking plans because it is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video and in the comments. So what are Teds Woodworking plans? Is he really worth it? The answer is yes. With it you can create the quality woodworking project that you have always dreamed of. If you want to create something beautiful with your own hands and spending little, Teds Woodworking is for you. This product brings together the collection of 16,000 woodworking projects with complete instructions from start to finish, suitable for beginners and professionals. In addition, it has a cutting list and materials, detailed schematics, and views from all angles for you to create your project quickly and easily, even if it doesn't have a big workshop or expensive tools. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Teds Woodworking, including on the official website. There are numerous testimonials from clients who have used Teds plans, and you can get results too. However, if you're wondering what types of projects Teds Woodworking covers, you need to know that it promises to cover all kinds of projects, large and small, such as furniture designs, small crafts, workbenches, and even outdoor projects. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it, no matter what your current skill level, because with Teds Woodworking everything gets easier. You get instant lifetime access to all your plans in the members area. You have access to tutorials that address advanced woodworking techniques and fundamentals, as well as guides on techniques and resources to expand your skills. Beyond the 16,000 plans, you'll have access to new monthly free lifetime plans with no recurring fees. You can access Teds plans on any device, anytime and anywhere. However, in addition to all this that Teds Woodworking offers, you can request a customized plan if you have a specific project in mind, in addition to receiving all the help needed to complete your project by email and forum support. However, if this is not the most complete woodworking feature you've ever seen, just send an email that the warranty is 60 days with all your money back. So I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the site that you will buy Teds Woodworking, and also, if you buy the product, you won't have to settle for what you find, buying expensive retail items, or spending a fortune to hire someone to build them. Remember to keep in mind that even if you create only a few projects from this huge database, you will save hundreds and reduce time wastage and frustration. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope Teds Woodworking really helps you to develop skills in joinery and many other benefits that this product promotes. If you have come this far, you have in mind the description of the video. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.